Hi everyone, it's Alicia from Wade Public Library, and today I'm going to bring you a story time all about birds. Now before we get started, let's sing a song together. Let's sing Hello Friends. Right? Hello friends, hello friends, hello friends, it's time to say hello. Hi everyone! So our very first book today is about birds. Now, do you know what birds say? What do they say? Do they go moo? No. Do they go meow? No. What do birds say? They say tweet, tweet, tweet. But what if they said something different? What if they said fruital? That would be silly, wouldn't it? Let's listen to this story together called Fruital.
All year long, the dogs went woof, the cats went meow, and the birds in the neighborhood went caw, coo, chip, peep, chip, peep, caw, coo, coo, chip, peep, caw, peep, caw, coo, chip, until one day, out of the blue, Little Brown Bird didn't want to sing the same old song. She didn't know what she wanted to say. Caw, coo, chip. But it definitely wasn't peep. Something silly maybe. Fruital sprudel. Definitely. Crow was not amused. What did you say? Oodle? Uh-oh. She meant peep. Little brown birds say peep, like doves say coo. True, we do. So Little Brown Bird said peep. But 6 minutes later, something else slipped out. Tiffle biffle, just a little miffle. Stop! You are little and brown and you say peep. But she just said miffle. Olive, anyone? Dove liked to keep the peace. But not even snack time stopped the silliness from spreading, because Cardinal figured out there could be silly red birds too. Ickle zickle, pickle trickle. Stop it! Too late. Now Dove was wondering if there could be silly white birds. Oobly snoobly! There could. You too, Dove? Try it, Crow. Everyone knows there's no such thing as a silly black crow. Please come back. You two, do something. We'll mind our peeps and coos. Lost cause. But Little Brown Bird knew they wouldn't mind them forever. So she wondered, could crows be silly too? Cloggin, zoggin, itsy boggin, flubick, dubick, not a grubick, sliggly, quiggly, zinker tricky, bumpy, scrumpy, hup, hup. Whoopee! Crows could. Floatin', yachts, plimish, ots, flisk, blurb, ink-a-ba-dink. The neighborhood was never the same. Schmoodle! Scapoodle! The end.
I hope you liked that story. It was silly, wasn't it? All right, next we're gonna do a little rhyme called Two Little Bluebirds. So I'm gonna use my little bluebird puppets, but you can just use your fingers, okay? So, two little bluebirds sitting on a hill, one named Jack and one named Jill. Fly away, Jack. Fly away, Jill. Good job. So we have two little bluebirds sitting down low. One named Fast and one named Slow. Fly away fast. Fly away slow. Now, we have two little bluebirds sitting on a lily. One named Sirius and one named Silly. Fly away, Sirius. Fly away, silly. So, when you go outside, where do you normally see birds? Do you see them in the trees? Do you see them in the sky? Do you see them on telephone wires? Yeah, sometimes I see them sitting up on the telephone wires. So next, let's read this book called Telephone.
Tell Peter, fly home for dinner. Tell Peter, hit pop flies and homers. Tell Peter, prop planes are for flyers. Tell Peter, put your wet socks in the dryer. Tell Peter, rock stars are admired. Tell Peter, crocodiles are bad liars. Tell Peter, lobsters are good hiders. Tell Peter, my monster truck has big tires. Tell Peter, I'm too high up on this wire. Tell Peter, something smells like fire. Tell Peter, there's a giant monster lobster named Homer. He smells like socks and he breathes red fire. His eyes blaze like stars and he rides a crocodile that flies and he's coming to this wire. Tell Peter to fly, fly far, far away. He's too young to be somebody's dinner. Hey, Peter. Your mom says fly home for dinner. And he did. The end.
All right. So the next thing we're going to do is a little song that we're going to do with eggs. Because birds lay eggs, don't they? Now this one's a shaky egg. Now, if you have shaky eggs, you can use them. If you don't have shaky eggs, because sometimes we don't have everything in story time, what you can use is if you have some maracas or a shaky toy that makes a lot of noise like this, or you could use jingle bells, or if you have a bottle, you could put rice and dried beans in it. And there's lots of different things. Just you want something that makes noise when you shake it. So if you need to, pause the video and see if you can find something that makes noise. If you can't, well, you could just shake your hands. You could just shake your hands like this, or you could pat your legs, or you could clap, whatever you want to do, all right? Now, if you have eggs, let's shake them, right? So shake our eggs together. We shake our eggs together. We shake our eggs together because it's fun to do. Shake them up high. Shake them down low. Shake them in the middle because it's fun to do. Good job. Did you pretend? Did you pretend you had an egg? Good job. All right. Next, we're going to shake our sillies out. Once again, if you have something shaky, go ahead and shake it. If you don't have anything shaky, just shake your body. You could just shake your body just fine, all right? Ready? We're gonna shake our sillies out. Shake our sillies out. Shake our sillies out. Wiggle our waggles away. We're gonna jump our jiggles out. Jump our jiggles out. Jump our jiggle jackal. Wiggle our waggles away. We're gonna shake our sillies out. Shake our sillies out. Shake our sillies out and wiggle our waggle away. Let's clap. We're gonna clap our crazies out. Clap our crazies out. Clap our crazies out and wiggle our waggles away. I'm getting sleepy. Gonna yawn our sleepies out. Yawn our sleepies out. Yawn our sleepies out and wiggle our waggles away. We're gonna shake our sillies out. Shake our sillies out. Shake our sillies out and wiggle our waggles away. And wiggle our waggles away. Good. And our last book we're going to read, we need to be good and quiet. Because our last book is Shh, We Have a Plan. Let's listen.
Look, a bird. Hello, birdie. Shh, shh. We have a plan. Tiptoe slowly, tiptoe slowly. Now stop. Shh. Ready 1? Ready 2? Ready 3? Go! Look, up there. Hello, birdie. Shh, shh. We have a plan. Climbing slowly, climbing slowly. Now stop. Shh. Ready 1, ready 2, ready 3. Go! Look, down there. Hello, birdie. Shh, shh. We have a plan. Paddling slowly, paddling slowly. Now stop. Shh. Ready 1, ready 2, ready 3. Go! Hello, birdie. Would you like some bread? 1, 2, 3. Look. Ready 1, ready 2, ready. Run away! Look, a squirrel. Shh, we have a plan. The end.
So if you like to do the crafts that we have at the library, our week's craft is a little bird feeder. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get some Cheerios and you're gonna get a pipe cleaner. And you're going to put the Cheerios on the pipe cleaner, twist it up closed, and then you can put it on a tree or you can lay it down on the ground for birds to get so the birds can eat the Cheerios off of it. All right, so you can pick up this craft at the library. Well, I hope that you enjoyed story time today. Please come in and get the craft. And the last thing we're going to do is say goodbye to each other. So, goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. It's time to say goodbye. Bye, everyone. Hope to see you soon.